Understanding how sportsbooks engineer your losses is the first step to actually beating them. Sportsbooks aren't gambling on you. They've already done the math, and they already know who wins. Here's exactly how they engineer it and how to spot it before you deposit $1. Here's what the ad says. Deposit $1,000 and get a $1,000 risk-free bet. Sounds simple, but here's what actually happens. If a bonus bet wins, you only collect the profit, not the original stake. So that $1,000 risk-free bet was never $1,000. It was a conditional voucher with the Sportsbook's terms attached, not yours. You place that bet and you lose, you don't get that cash back. That's not your money. It's still theirs with strings attached. That site credit usually comes with a wagering requirement, typically around 15 times your deposit. That means that your $1,000 in credit means that you have to bet through $15,000 in total wagers before a single dollar becomes withdrawable cash. That's crazy. Run that through a standard 110 line where the sportsbook keeps its cut on every wager whether you win or lose. And that's not the worst case scenario, that's the expected outcome. Compare that to a credit card cash back bonus or a bank account opening bonus. And those come with a spending requirement too. Every wager you place has a built-in house edge working against you the entire time. Now here's the part they really don't want you thinking about. If you start winning consistently, your account gets flagged. Bet limits quietly drop to as low as $10. Maybe you don't even notice at first, but you can't place the same size bet you used to. Meanwhile, the accounts that keep losing, those are getting bonus offers. They're getting the "we miss you" promos to keep them coming back.
There were so many times when I wanted to quit and I couldn't because the industry kept luring me back in, essentially.
And a lot of times it works. This keeps losers engaged and depositing while winners get pushed out. So that free gift isn't a gift at all. It's a ploy to keep you losing. And this isn't rare. Betting forums are full of the same story. Someone builds a system, starts winning, and within weeks, their max bet drops from hundreds of dollars to almost nothing. No email, no warning, just a new reality that controls your outcome. And if you're watching this because you're feeling the gap between what you've deposited and what you've got left, there are responsible ways to climb out of it. We'll get to that in a minute. Now let's talk about where all the money for ads actually comes from. FanDuel spends over $1.5 billion per year on marketing. DraftKings adds another $500 million to that. And that's not coming out of company profits just sitting around. It's coming directly out of bettors' losses. When you really think about the irony here, it's pretty jolting. Their marketing budget is so healthy because of the misfortune of bettors like you. If the average customer were actually winning long term, there would be no ad budget. The entire machine of all of this is funded by the people who lose. And a lot of the time, that's you. Most people assume a sports bet is basically a coin flip. 50-50 odds. At the standard 110 line, the odds nearly every book defaults to, you need to win 52.38% of your bets just to break even, not 50%. And that 2.38% gap is called the VIG.
What's the VIG on this action here?
Do you even know what VIG means?
It's the sportsbook built-in cut on every single wager, whether you win or lose. In 2024, US sportsbooks kept 9.3 cents of every dollar wagered. That added up to $14 billion directly from bettors' pockets in a single year. And because of that built-in math, only about 3 to 5% of sports bettors are actually profitable long-term. And remember, those winners' bets get throttled. But there's the thing. It's not just math working against you. It's the psychology of it all. Near misses are designed to make you feel like you were so close. Almost there. Live betting speeds everything up so you have less time to think and more chances to place another wager. Constant odds boosts and profit boosts create urgency. Like there's always one more opportunity you can't afford to miss. This is all designed to get you to place lots and lots of smaller bets because the house is winning every time you do. And there's one more big disadvantage people don't really talk about: information. The truth is, you're up against everyone who knows more than you. It's a harsh but serious reality you need to accept. So if you want to actually win, the first step isn't a better pick. It's understanding that the system is built for you to slowly lose in a way that keeps you coming back for more. And serious side note, what feels like casual betting can easily become a full-blown gambling addiction. The National Problem Gambling Helpline is 1-800-GAMBLER. It's free, It's confidential, so you can get the help you need fast. Now, for everyone else, the goal of this video was simple. We want you to know the math before you place your next bet. And if betting losses have already put you in a cash bind, you don't have to dig out of it the hard way. CreditNinja offers personal loans up to $5,000 with same-day funding. Links in the description below. And if you want to understand exactly how these companies are built to profit off of you, check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.